The FTA C442 fuel cap by our friends at Fuel Tank Accessories are built as a direct OEM replacement for Kenworth trucks with thermally vented fuel tanks. Cast from 369 aluminum alloy, these fuel caps will not break or crack if dropped, like cheaper fuel caps made from 380 aluminum. All fuel caps come with a synthetic gasket made from nitro-butyl rubber. This gasket helps ensure an airtight seal on your fuel tank. The synthetic gasket also makes sure that even in sub-zero temperatures, the gasket will not crack or ice up. The gasket is corrosion resistant from diesel fuel and some diesel fuel additives. Last but not least, the gasket is replaceable if it begins to show signs of wear. Each fuel cap comes equipped with a long 8-inch chain with a 6.5-inch ball. This helps secure the fuel cap and make sure it does not accidentally fall to the ground while being removed. The 8-inch chain is long enough to help ensure that the fuel cap stays out of the way of the refueling nozzle. Designed with a 3.375-inch inside diameter, it directly matches up with OEM Kenworth fuel tanks, and the 5.5 national standard, or threads per inch, are the same as OEM Kenworth fuel caps.